Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you 5 untapped Fiverr niches, and these are the niches which have a lot of buyers and their competition is low. So if you know this art, or I'm going to show you 5 niches. So if you know any of this art, then you can create your profile or a gig there and start selling your service. Hope so you will get orders very soon because there is a low competition and you can make tons of money. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel,
then it is all about money making tips, digital marketing, becoming an entrepreneur, how to start your journey from home and leave 9 to 5 job, and also I will show you different case studies here. So if you are interested in those things, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get notified when I create new videos for you. Before starting today's topic, if you want to make money online from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned the link in the description box below. This is the system which I have used and learned all those skills which helped me to make money online. When I have started out with this platform, I was totally a beginner just like you, and these are the results just because of using this system, training and tools. You can join it as a free member and see what is inside.
So let's get started. The first one, untapped niche in Fiverr, is astrology and readings. So if you have any interest in this category, like psychic reading and I will cast a millionaire spell or cast a potent witchcraft and something like that, cast a hypnotize, cast the retrieval lover, I will cast big money spell, I will cast a love spell. So just look at the reviews here. 1000 plus, 951, 457, 244, 210, 142. So these are people who are selling these services and they are making tons of money. $70 he is selling this gig. I will cast a love spell on the person of your choice. And 880 reviews and all of them have made 5+ rating. So if you know anything like interest in astrology and readings, you can do like that. Just move to this gig. I am going to show you here and this gig. So just look at these gigs. You can see that. Do you need help in your love life? So if you are loving someone and want to fall in love with you, then you can contact with these people. Are seeking with your true love. Do you want a special someone to think about you, having wonderful dreams about you, or are you simply looking for a proven love spell that works? So these people will help you out. So if you know anything about this gig, astrology and readings, then you can start your gig here and you can see that these people are making tons of money. So just look at that. $70 she's selling this gig for and 877 reviews. So just show you the earning potential here. 877 reviews multiplied 2, because as per my experience 50% of the people actually make the review, multiply by 70. So she has earned over $100,000 with just this gig. Now let's move to my second gig. The second gig is presentation. So if you are good at creating presentations, like using PowerPoint, there are different online tools available. You can create your gig on presentations and people will come there for creating their own presentations. And if you're good at creating presentation, then you can make good money here. So just look at the reviews here. 147, 175, 183, 108, 122, 176, 85, 273. So just look at this lady. She's selling presentations for $200 and 273 received 273 reviews. So just do the math here. 272 multiply by 2 and multiply by, just take the lowest amount. So over $100,000 just by creating these presentations. So creating these type of presentations are not difficult at all. If you are good at creating presentation, you can easily create those presentation. Once you have the budget, you can buy premium stock images like on Shutterstock and other platforms, and you can copy those images and paste those images on your slides, and this will make your presentation much more beautiful. So with the basic plan, 10 slides, existing PP presentations, redesign, market research not included, $450, $700. So just look at those people gigs, investor pitch deck, sale presentation, listing presentation, sponsorship deck, executive summary. So if you are good at creating those types of presentation, you can create this gig, and you can see people are making tons of money in this gig. The third niche you can use is data analysis and reports. These are good for people who are good at analyzing data using Excel, macros, VLOOKUP, and advanced Excel concepts, and report, and are good at report writing. So just adding graphs, pivot charts, something like that. So just look at that: 385 reviews, 273 reviews, 454 reviews, 893 reviews. So just look at, I will do Microsoft Excel macro, Excel VBA, MS Excel formulas. So just look at this case: 891 reviews, $50, $125, and $250. So just do the math here. 891, this is just 50%, so multiply by 2. Total number of orders this person received on approximate base, multiply, just take the average, 125. So this guy has made over $200,000 with this gig. He's from UAE, and so what he's selling: cell functions, custom or Excels, VBA macros, user form, charts, pivots, web scraping, and much more. So if you know this type of service, then you can create this gig here. If you do not know how to do this, just move to the YouTube, move to the Udemy, move to the Google. You can find tons of free videos there, and you can learn those skills. There is no excuse. Just move to the fourth gig, which is Untapped, and you can easily exploit this gig. Online lessons. If you are good at any possible thing, like if you're good at English, if you're good at mathematics, science, game development, game strategies, programming, management, marketing, accounting, Excel. So there are a lot of things that you can teach here. If you are good at any skill, just create your gig here, and people will come to you, and they will pay you and learn those skills from you. If you know WordPress, if you know calculus, if you know algebra, just create your gig here. You can make tons of money here. So just look at these people who are selling those gigs. So now let's move to the fifth option, that is business plans. This type of gig is good for people who are doing who are studying management subjects, business subjects, finance subjects. And let's suppose I will write perfect investor's business plan, and look at these. I will prepare a complete business plan, $280, and this person has received 540 reviews, 14 reviews. So just click on this gig, 150, 72 reviews. So a lot of people are making money in this niche. 232 reviews and $220. So just look at this. I will write an investment or loan business plan or business. Click on this. So just 295. Just do the math here. 506 reviews, multiply by 2 and multiply by 295. So nearly $300,000 with this gig. People, this is from Pakistan, and you can see that a complete business plan will normally include executive summary, company summary, product services, market analysis summary, competitive analysis, strategy and implementation, market plan, SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, and like that, important charts and graphs. If you are good at creating those types of plans, just start your gig here. You can make tons of money here. I know you will like this video, and many people are moving towards SEO, video editing, and something like that. That is already very competitive. But there you can also make money. But if you know any of the skill here, you can start your gig here in those categories, and these are the untapped niches. You can get your orders very soon. Just focus on these niches, and you can start making some decent money within a short period of time. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.